normal. Exhale. So once you do this, you can put your hand like this or like this. This is the best position. Either like this or like this. 3 times. Exhale. So when you do this three times, if you want to close your eyes, close it. Otherwise, you can keep open. So what thing will happen? Just concentrate whatever sounds goes around you. So you will hear all the sounds. Okay. So when you start this exercise, first you can do for 1 month. Just listen the sounds around you. Do not think whatever goes extra. So that so after you can do for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. You put a stopwatch for 10 minutes. 3 times exhale, inhale, and like.
Or just focus only on inhale, exhale. Like
Yeah, only inhale or exhale. Or
now you know,
otherwise-
now I have inhaled, I have to exhale. Again, I have to inhale, exhale. So only your mind will be only on your breath.
So 15 minutes, your mind will be distracted. Same thing if a child do, he can concentrate more on studies. Because at 15 minutes, there is no thought in your mind. Either the sounds around you, you will listen, okay, pressure cooker sound, okay, bus sound. So that things will actually calm your mind. You will have a space in your mind to concentrate on the next work which you are doing. Second thing is the self-healing, how you will do. This is called as Shavasana.
Shavasana, finally that is last. No.
So I'm just telling you, should I?
We'll make them lie down and do no.
No,
Last.
they. So
No, at least few people are there, no, they can do it.
okay, so she will demonstrate you how. This is you have to lie down like you are sleeping, like this. Keep your hands like this. So, what is the technique? And first, one more thing I have to tell you. Whenever you get up, even from bed, do not get up straight.
Turn towards
This right, yeah, right. Whichever side is okay for you. Some people right, some left. Just keep a support, and like this you get up. Because if you stay, get up or get in, this region will affect. So in this, when you are lying down, what you have to do? You have to start thinking that you have fingers. You have to think, okay, this is my body. I have my fingers. Then think you have a foot. Then this joint. Slowly, you have to think of your full body. Then exhale again. Then again think of done.
This we will demonstrate like 2-3 people.
Yeah. She will demonstrate what effect this give you. Actually, this is self-healing. So whatever we think, it has effect on our body. Whatever we think, we will become that only. Whenever you see a mirror, if you start thinking, I am the prettiest, you will become that. If you start thinking, oh, nothing, so it's nothing. So when you think of your body part, it will heal from inside. Even if you have a pain or something, with time you will feel, okay, these things are getting cured by itself. This is called naturopathy.
So basically it lowers your stress hormones.
Yeah. So people who have insomnia, if they are not able to sleep, but if they are doing Shavasana, repeatedly thinking of their body, with time they will regulate their sleep. So this is very helpful actually to calm down your mind and the body.
What are the breathing exercises?
A little breathing exercise.
The last will be Shavasana.
Do you have any questions?
So this Shavasana should be done only after doing some of the asanas, then you can start.
Yeah,
Finally,
this is the last
finishing
one.
stage.
Or the one you feel you can't do yoga, right? There's no space at the home,
At least
or you are shy to do something. So this Shavasana, when you sleep, you can try. At least 5 minutes, you can try. Okay, you have nails, you have foot, you have legs. Think what all God has gifted you. So if you think of that and then you sleep, it will affect you to heal yourself from inside. And same I told you about breathing exercise. Just relax and think of your surroundings at least for 10 minutes. That will awake you from inside and your intelligence will increase. It's really have a good effect.
Like breathing exercise, as she told, like left nostril breathing is there, right nostril breathing, and this alternate nostril
This is called as Anulom Vilom. So what will affect
No,
in our body?
we are not using this. Many people think that yoga is it's nothing related to any religion. Yoga, anyone can do. So even breathing, we also have many Islamic patients and Muslims. What they do, they have the things in hand.
Yes.
Like breathing, they will be counting with that, and we can do it.
No, same like that. So what is the science behind? Our left side of the brain functions for this side and this is this side. Okay. So one side is considered to be a hot side and other is the cold. one is heat.
Heat produces.
So you will regulate the body temperature and whatever air is inside your lungs. So actually what our blood is doing is circulating oxygen in the full body so that each and every cell works in its full condition. Oxygen is like a fuel for us, right? So when you do exhale and inhale, you are rejuvenating your cells. So that's how breathing exercise works, right? You can
This is
demonstrate.
not good for asthma patient. This is not good for asthma patient, right?
Yeah, no.
No, no, normal breathing is okay. For
Normal.
asthma, there are a lot of different types of breathings.
Yes.
So those things are not meant for asthma.
Yeah.
But even normal, this breathing can be done.
So why it is not? Because in asthma what happens? There is external thing which will affect your lungs, and your lungs, this small bronchi, like flower like things in your lungs, that will swell up. So if you are doing inhale exhale, you are making them to work harder. That, for example, you are already tired and now somebody is telling you to pick up more things and drop. So that's why we don't advise for
What is the
asthma.
exercise for that?
For the asthma,
So this left nostril, right nostril alternate anybody can do. Apart from that, there are what she said is right. Because Bastrika and lot of other asana.
Like
that
this,
you should not
asana,
do. Yeah. That you should not do.
not for asthma
This
patients.
forcefully whatever do that no.
That means lungs should be not pressurized.
Pressurized because they are already challenged by that inflammation of the lungs.
So when you do these things and all, your lungs will get expand. It's good. It will clear the lungs.
What
And for
about
lungs,
sinus,
no,
ma'am?
see like this type, like this. These are all good for lungs. It massages the lungs. Yeah. So you like first you can start with the left nostril. So you can also focus like this. You're counting, no? See, 1, 2, 3. You do know everything. You do left nostril breathing.
Left.
This was you always have to hold it this.
Mm.
Like this. No, right you hold it.
Like this side.
You always should have it with right hand.
Like this.
Right.
This is correct?
Yeah, correct. Now you have to close your eyes. So I bring say only in this 5 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale, no, with the same nose. See like this now. Sorry, 1 second. Which is only now. See like this you have. Well, breathe, you can count 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So exhale 10 counts.
Okay.
So 5, while inhale it should be less, and while exhaling you should take more time. It is very good for lungs. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 10 you can exhale. Same way with the right, you should always use this ring finger for right nose you're breathing. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your mind will not go anywhere. You will focus on 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, I have to exhale 10 times.
So why breathing exercise is important? Because you heard about corona. It affects most of your lungs and breathing thing. Why? Because now the air is so polluted. Your lungs are already having some or other chemical inside. So when you are doing inhale exhale, our lungs have a space to make the air, then push it out, make air, and every time there is some residual amount which will remain. How much you push in and push out. But if every day you are doing exercise, somehow that residual amount will clean up. So this is the signs that your lungs will be carrying the maximum oxygen. Even if it is a external virus or anything is there, they will get a chance to fight against it. But if already half of their lungs are having pollutant, for example some virus comes, it will affect you very easily then. So this is how the breathing exercise
When you do
helps us.
this left nostril breathing, and also there should be a gap like this, because there are some blood circulation going here.
Yeah.
So that is the reason we keep like this one, because we should not touch this one. If you keep like this, there is no benefit. If you have to keep this some, at least if you are not able to breathe perfectly, at least like this, leaving some gap in between. So right side nostril you have to breathe out, left breathe in. And alternate. First we will start with the left nostril breathing 5 times. Exhale through right nostril 10 times. Then inhale through right nostril 5 times. Exhale through left nostril 10 times. So this is alternate.
So why it is made like this? Because this region is called thoracic cage. Cage means like a pinjra. So when you are doing, you have to make it like a cage. That's why this area should be like that, so that whatever air inside push out and the natural air goes in.
Maybe take a fresh shower.
Shavasana,
Ma'am, one thing for sinus. What would we show for sinus?
For sinus. Sinus, there is a breathing exercise. See, one time you should breathe in, 50 times breathe out.
So how
That is
sinus-
very good for sinus.
Sinus, yeah. So how sinus effect? It's in here and here. So
If you are pushing this.
yeah. So your nose is the channel which goes to your head. There is no other opening. Okay. So when you then you have to push so that things go out. So more
Then
than
you can push 300, but you can initially you can start like this. 10, 20 times.
Start increasing.
Gradually you can increase.
and you have to press these things.
108.
Like this. Can you say? Because these are the
Points.
Points.
Where they will
Yes,
show
these
place.
pressure points, this and here. These are the
Like pressure
points.
points.
So you press them and inhale, exhale.
Yeah, lightly just. But the one which she has
This
told you,
that
that
is
is the
different.
best one. To inhale and then push the air outside.
This is out the second one what you said is
Yes.
this pressure points we have
For the migraine. Like this. Pressure points.
You massage. It's a smooth pressure points will take massage. No need to press like this also. Just like this. Slowly.
For thyroid,
Soft touch.
Yeah, for
Thyroid
is the
back bending exercise.
back bending, and there's a yoga in which you have to do B sound. Like that. Because with this gland is for the thyroid. So when you do this, it vibrates and it regulates your hormone.
And she asked for back pain, no? What you do is regularly you do this cat and cow pose. That will be like this you have to sit. See, gap is like this. Then this much gap should be there. Then you have to do inhale. Exhale. While exhaling, your stomach should go inside. Yeah. So this is very good for back pain. You will never get low back pain at all if you do this regularly. But you have to do it regularly.
and even after getting out, you can do it.
Yeah, you can. Only thing is like inhale. You have to see up and your butt should be a little bit raised. Then while coming, the pressure should be feeling this stomach part.
Yeah. Your stomach
This
muscle.
muscle, like this.
Actually, our
It will
stomach
contract
has a
muscles.
sheet over it which contains fat. Okay, so whatever intestine you have is a sheet, and it has a natural habit to pick it up, whatever fat you eat, but it goes over it, layers.